XS3 code and conversion of decimal number to XS3 code. First we will see what is XS3 code. It is non-weighted BCD code, that is, this code is derived from BCD code by adding binary 3 or BCD 3 to it. It is sequential code. So it can be used for arithmetic operations. It is self-complementing code. So, suppose we are given that decimal numbers, then BCD code, and finally XS3 code. So, decimal 0 is represented by 0000, and if we add 0011 to it, we will get 0011 as XS3 code for 0. Similarly, for 1 we will have 0001, we will add binary 3 or BCD 3 to it, so we will get 0100. For 2, 0010 plus 0011, we will get 0101. 3, 0011 plus 0011, we will get 0110. 4, 0100 plus 0011, we will get 111. 5, 0101 plus 0011, 1000. 6, 0110 plus 0011, we will get 1001. 7, 0111 plus 0011, we will get 1010. 8, 1000 plus 0011, we will get 1011. And finally, for 9, we will get 1001 plus 0011, we will get 1100. So, we know that BCD numbers are up to 9. So, we get the XS3 code for BCD code. Now, it is also called as self-complementing code, because if we see here, for 5 is represented by 1000 in XS3 code. So, if we take 1's complement of 5, we will get 0111, which is code for 4 in XS3. Similarly, if we see 6, we will get BCD code for 6 is 1001. We can see here BCD code for 6 over here is 1001. If we take 1's complement of 8, we will get 0110, which is representing 3 in x3 code. We can see here for 3 we have 0110. So in this way it is a self complementing code. So for 5, by complementing it once, we get code for 4. Similarly for 6 we get code for 3. If we see for 7, we will get code for 2. If we see for 8, we will get code for 1, and for 9 we will get code for 0. So in this way we can see that if we take 1's complement of a given x3 code, we get code for another x3 number. Now we will see how to convert a decimal number to x3 code. We will see an example. Obtain x3 code for 326 decimal. So we will write down the given number as it is, and we will write down the corresponding BCD code for given number. So here it will be 0110, 0010 and 0011. Now we know that x3 code is obtained by adding 3 to each BCD code. So we will add 3 to each BCD code over here. So we will get 1 plus 1 will be 0. Here we will get carry 1. Again 0, 1. So here we will get 1. 0, 1 will give us 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. Again here we will get 0, 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 1, 1, and finally 0. So this will be our answer for given decimal number. So 326 decimal is represented as 0110, 0101 and 1001 in x3 code. Thank you.